Welcome back to Ohio Car Spotters. The new color on this is insane. You guys might remember what it used to look like. Well, you know, he had to hit up Wessex Auto Enhancement for the new wrap. Welcome back to Ohio Car Spotters. This is Will's new Aventador SV with the new wrap from UK. One off. Oh, it's finally car season. Alright, so while we're waiting, we're supposed to, our Courtney is supposed to show up here soon. So I guess we're just gonna wait because we're gonna go over to the toy bar and meet up with everyone else. And so I am just gonna walk down here and wait for him to come in. Look at that. That was definitely not a bike.
Well, let's see.
Oh, he just downshifted in the third. You could hear that. Unless that wasn't him for the 9th time. That's him.
That's him right there. That's how you make an entrance. Now that's
Nah, man, that rear section pipe he has is crazy. All right, so we hear Courtney coming. We're just gonna sit here and wait. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes, here he comes. Here he comes, yes sir. What's up, man? Alright, so it's a little dark right now, but so what is a car that you would like to see like this year that you didn't get the opportunity to see last year? Like out for car season?
oh man.
For me, it's probably the STO.
Yeah, I mean, I'm saying it. Columbus is blessed to have so much.
Yeah, it's actually nuts.
So, but the Triple F having so many cars, I mean,
Even without them, it's crazy, right? Even without them. Like Cam and I always talk about like how many cars we have, like just here, even without Triple F.
Right, right.
We have lots of variety, like there's plenty of muscle, there's plenty of exotics, obviously.
One car I would like to see in person. I've seen it before, but I haven't seen anyone have it with wheels on it. Is the new Ford GT.
The newest one?
The newer ones.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love that. The V6 twin turbo or whatever.
Yeah, the Ford GTs, but I've seen them, but they're all bone stock. So I want to see one with some wheels, some real wide wheels.
Yeah, people keep them stock most of the time.
The reason it's one of the cheaper hypercars, you know. Just kind of want to see if it's something I would like.
Oh, it is considered a hypercar?
The new Ford GT?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh. You learn something new every day, I guess. Because I know you got a yellow one too. How did we catch up to Sean? I completely forgot Tariq got the same exhaust.
Oh, yeah, there's gonna be a lot of noise today.
We're here at the toy barn. Everyone's here. We got everyone here. What's up, dude? I missed you, man. Yeah, long time no see, man. What's up, Sean, man? Congrats. Congrats on the car, bro. Yeah. You trade in the RA4? Really? Oh, it's a good trade. Congrats, man. Congrats. All right, so we got a question of the day. So what is one car that you would like to see this year that you didn't get to see last year? Maybe once or twice?
At a show or something?
Yeah, why not?
What's going on?
I've never seen a close-up of Pagani Huayra.
Oh, dang, you want to
That's
see a
like
Pagani?
yeah, that would be it for me. I know they had it at the event last year, but I didn't get to see it. So
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they had a bunch. But
would be for me.
I want to see an STO, and they actually have one. They have a sweet spec one. I'll show you on my phone. What's up, man? I know you're excited today. Dude, that one downshift you did in the tunnel was nuts.
Oh, you heard that?
Dude,
right
that thing sounds amazing.
Yours was screaming.
Yeah. All right, Cam. So, what do you want to see this year that you didn't get to see last year?
A different color demon.
A different color demon? What?
Any other demon, literally any other demon.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I saw a demon, but they're so rare, I just want to see another one.
Remember George said that there was a. Pretty sure he said there was a gray one or a black one around here. Yeah.
Somewhere. Maybe it'll come out sometime soon.
Yeah, I hope. All right. So, what did we just find?
We just found a little gem in the back lot of Toy Barn here in Dublin. It looks like a GT350 with a carbon fiber hood, like loaded with carbon fiber.
That's
parts.
probably like a.
Sick.
That's probably like a $2,000 hood. Look at the carbon on that, guys, and he's got the splitter down here. Holy moly. This thing is sick, dude. If only the back wing was carbon fiber. And Forza, you can make it carbon fiber.
It's nice though, it's really nice.
Is this the new GT4? Oh, wow, look at the seats.
I know, they're racing. They got a tow hook on the back. This is nice.
Is it, what plates is on it?
Just Toy Barn.
Oh, okay.
That's fine, doesn't matter.
So this is Art's old Huracan. And his buddy just pulled up in it. With a millionaire exhaust. I didn't ever think we'd see that car again.
All right. See you tomorrow.
Oh, we got the drone in the sky as well.
Are you serious? This is dope.
I know, right? They had it laying on top of Biggs's car earlier.
I never seen that.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Oh yeah, it's like it's going all the way.
Yeah. All right, y'all, so we just pulled up to the meet. Looks really crazy. There's already lots of people here. We got the drone flying in the sky. Beautiful day today. Couldn't ask for a better day, right?
Tron's a little bit close. I don't want to rip.
So that is the first Mercy I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've never seen one. I can check that off my list now. Let's check out this Mercy. That is a very beautiful Mercy.
Right back, you're looking good.
Tyreek is not gonna stop because they're so low.
Dude, you guys are ridiculous. You guys are trying to blow people's eardrums out. All right, so we pulled up to Midwestern Auto Group, met at the toy barn. Oh, today's a great day. Yes, it is.
Oh.
See you guys.
That's for the
All right, so now we're on a mission to find Cam because I have no idea where he is.
Take everything.
Cam, where are you? Check out the lineup though. We got Tariq's AMG GT next to his Arancio Atlas SV Roadster, Sean's new Huracan. Each year the squad just gets crazier and crazier. All right, so surprisingly, Art's buddy over here brought Art's old Huracan, which is a satin chrome wrap. Oh, I'm sorry, metallic, not satin. But this used to be Art's Huracan. And then when you look at that now, it's next to his heavily modded out Urus. Like, I cannot believe it, man. That's just goals. That is literally such the biggest goals. The first car meet I ever went to, this is the car I saw. Alright, so hopefully here in the future, Cam and I will be in the market for a car. So Cam actually really wants a Z06 Corvette, so here it is right here. But you guys also know that Cam's dream car is the Dodge Demon, and there actually ended up being another one here today. It's black with the demonic red interior. But you guys know that our friend George also has a Demon. Very, very rare cars. You never see these. Like, you literally never see these anymore. But I just thought it was kind of unique because Cam really, really wants a Z06 Corvette and that specific color, and it happened to be right next to his dream car. All right, we got the nastiest 458 and 488 you will ever see in Columbus, Ohio. Look at the blue on this 488. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Talk about a little duo. Okay, so we're about to go. No. It's not as sick as that one, but there's a freaking out-of-country Mercy down here with foreign plates. Yeah, it's got foreign plates.
Get that.
Asphalt Berlinetta? I'm so good, dude. I just sniped that. Look. Yeah, no, this is just the regular 740 or 700 dash.
Right, this one.
Please tell me it's not stock. Did he get in?
Yeah.
Or maybe he's just sitting in it? Oh, he's just sitting in it. This is the first Mercy, well, I've ever seen. I don't know about you. You've seen a Mercy before? Where? When?
Wasn't he at the pop-up?
No, that was the SV.
Oh, he just had an SV.
Dude, look at that. Look at the plates. Out of country plates. Well, hello there, Mr. Richard Fame. You want to give us some flames?
Carbon. Oh, it's Dave. You might not be able to see it.
Carbon.
Try.
Huh?
It's Dave, so you might not be able to see it. Try.
Nah, man, I just want to hear the pops. I'm not standing all the way back there. You're funny. Oh, that poor guy. Alright, y'all, so we're heading to Easton now. AC does work. I feel nice and cool now. He's telling you to go.
Let's get live.
Yes, sir. You already know. It's got the lineup here at Jaguar. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of the mag video today. I hope you guys enjoyed these beautiful cars today. Got Will's Will's F1 Aventador SV. But yeah, that was just the first video. We're gonna have another video out after this when you see it. And we'll be at the toy barn. Should be fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.